Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Happy to be here with you. My name is Mohammed Soufyani from Rajhi Bank, Director of Infrastructure Operations and Cybersecurity. Um, we are actually delighted to be in this forum and very happy to have you all here. To give you a background about our company, we are of course part of Rajhi Bank, but Rajhi has a vision to build a fintech company, and this fintech company is going to stand as one of the biggest fintech companies in Saudi Arabia as well as in the region. This is of course is allowed by Vision 2030 because the Saudi is going through a lot of changes, even in the financial sector. And this fintech company is going to be one of the best and biggest companies. The vision is always to be with the best advanced technologies because fintech must be built in the right way to serve any changes in the financial sector in the future, and also to allow for existing technologies to be seamlessly delivered to end customers. And this is also one of the reasons why we selected Huawei, because we're going for actual cloud and hybrid cloud, the things that will actually take us to the next level of cloud services. The drivers for innovation for such companies always is driven by key factors stemming from the sector itself. And the main driver I would see is fintech companies always have a requirement and a need for a huge capacity for transactions, as well as agility to move fast into delivering products locally and globally. And for that, you need also to have agile networks. You have to have the cloud DNA that allows you to actually navigate. This is why one of the key pillars for our value proposition when we went with Huawei was the infrastructure consolidation. As I said, the standard approach that Huawei is taking in the software-defined networks is actually fit for us, because on the downside of the software-defined one, we needed these capabilities. So this is why one of the drivers that we selected the technology. Second pillar, as I said, we are a financial service provider. That means a huge amount of transactions, which needs capacity of handling, whether it is on processing or in terms of networks, with seamless security. So we even like the fact about the DNA, the security, that it is part of the DNA. The third driver is finance knowledge enablement. Huawei, with no doubt, they have success stories, of course, in China, one of the biggest banks in the world. So it's not new for Huawei to be in that sector. Then you have also the fastest and most capacitive storage from Huawei. We're also adopting that in our environment now. I have seen some really good results so far. So this is also a good partnership that we are using the mutual knowledge and experience together. So we built Neoleap, which is our new company name. We built it on, of course, software-defined data center architecture, and that's in the DNA of Huawei networks, as well as we're also deploying the SD-WAN, because we will have a lot of dependencies locally and globally as well. So we went ahead with that. But the fact is, in reality, we are building from scratch headquartered data center with disaster recovery as well, and both have to be built with agile multi zones as well as multi tenants and multi cloud architecture. What that means is that we will look at all the vertical from where the request will be originated until our data center. And that's why we even mentioned there the containerization and microservices, because to go globally for a small financial service, you need to have containerization, and then the whole ecosystem plays together from the software-defined networks up to the multi-tenant as well as the storage as well, because you really need to have a fast response from the storage to minimize your travel of the or the latency. So as a benefit that we got from Huawei networks, as I said, it's multi-clouds management, a multi-cloud approach. And this is, we already built it in Saudi Arabia. We're actually proud of it as an ecosystem. And actually, because of that ecosystem, we managed to build this in less than 2 months. It's one of the biggest achievements that we have done in the corporate so far. And it's hybrid in the sense that we actually built it. So we built our own private cloud, and hybrid in the sense that it's not like other cloud providers in Saudi Arabia. We actually can go with our products globally, and this is our next deployment before end of this year. Multi-services cloudifications, of course, as I said, we have all the stack, which means that we have even the servers as well, and some other services for monitoring, for example, that actually can monitor all this cluster as a cluster is part of it, because everything, in fact, is a cloud native. As well as, by the way, the other technologies that we implemented as well that are non-Huawei has also cloud DNA in all of them, and this is why it played together very well. And ease of use. Everything is out of the box operational, but there are things that people, unless you experience it, you will not feel it or know about it. For example, some security. I like the fact, for example, our Wi-Fi, corporate Wi-Fi, when we go with as a SIEM product that is actually integrated with it, instead of getting an external security for the NAC solution, for example. This is just an example. For me, this can actually make the operation easy. Time to market is faster and less of a problems going forward. So these are one of the some of the main important benefits that we got from the partnership with Huawei Networks. Thank you very much.